Hello guys, welcome to Adams Today. Today I'll be teaching you in just very few steps how to create a very quick intro for your YouTube channel. And we're gonna start right now. It's very easy. All you need to do is search for animated text on Google Play. Animated text, it looks like this. This is the logo. Wait for it to load, and then it brings you to this interface where you have options like start, my GIF, share button, my videos. The my videos option is meant for it contains videos you've already created with the application. So we're going to go with start. So let's assume we want to create an intro for my YouTube channel, Adams Today. Say Adams Today. And then you click on play. The good thing about this application is that it gives you a variety of choices, variety of options, beautiful, insane options, to choose from. Very beautiful options, very beautiful options. So I think I'll go with this one. So in case you want to change the color, you can click, just to beautify. Okay, there are a variety of colors and templates, designed here. Okay, let's go with this particular one. After you do this, you click on save it as video. Wait for it to load. Now that's it. Now let's view. This is our intro video. Very simple. Now let's make it more interesting. Let's put a background music in this intro video. Alright, so I'll exit this now. Let's exit this. You go to InShot, click on videos, click on new, since you're going to put in a new video right there. Okay, so it looks like our video hasn't saved, so let's go back and save it. Let's go up again and save it pretty well. Let's make sure it's working pretty well before we go back to InShot. Okay, so we can share it directly into InShot from here, as a matter of fact. So we take it to InShot, then click on music, tracks. If you have a customize, if you have an audio you'd like to use, you go to my music, open from. I want to use the same. I want to use an intro from. I want to use a tone I already have on my phone. So I'll go to Fluffy. This is what you have. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? Now this is not all. Let's make this look more beautiful or interesting. Let's add a little glitch to it, a little glitch effect to it. So we go to the glitch effects application, edit, and then we have a video right here. This is actually very easy to use. So we're using 3 applications here. We've used animated text, InShot, and the last one, the last but not the least, glitch effect application. This application is the glitch effect application just gives your video, whatever video you want to, or whatever video picture you want to use, it gives it a glitch effect. So let's check our video out first and decide what effect you want to use. Okay, so we're going to have to choose the effect we want to use by clicking on next. Then to make this work, you will have to hold it down for the period of time you want it to. So let's play our intro video. Now I'm using the free version of the glitch cam, of the glitch effect application. If you like, it has a variety of effects of filters. You can use a whole lot of them by upgrading to the pro version. You can use a whole lot of them by upgrading to the pro version. It gives your video a very professional look. So after doing this, you can save. Wait for it to save. And boom, we have our intro video. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope this was very educational, very insightful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also hit the notification button so that you'll be notified when I post a new video.